Potential tropical cyclone 2 continues on its westerly trajectory. Today, not much has really changed, although there has been some gradual organization and there is evidence of a low level circulation that is beginning to form within this region moving west. If you take a look here at the latest impacts and the cone here, we notice that the storm is continuing to move west here at about 24 to 25 miles per hour and will continue on its westerly trajectory throughout the rest of its lifespan in the Caribbean. This is expected to be near or at hurricane intensity on Friday as it reaches the central and the southern portions of the Caribbean and Central America. The latest recon plane that was in there from earlier this afternoon and that is still currently sampling the environment does continue to find tropical storm force winds, especially on the northern side here, about 40 to 50 knots. So this will be a tropical storm once a low level circulation is acquired. Current forecast trajectories continue to indicate that this will become a tropical storm and continue intensifying over the next couple of days, with most models suggesting a peak at mid-range tropical storm status, although a hurricane cannot be ruled out, and currently the National Hurricane Center forecasts this to be near or at hurricane intensity by landfall. The current track forecast does continue to take this on its westerly trajectory before bending towards the west and southwest because of a big ridge of high pressure over the United States. This will be impacting mainly portions of Central America and portions of the extreme kind of southern part here of Central America over the next couple of days. And certainly there is expected to be some widespread significant impacts to portions of these areas over the next couple of days. Currently, forecast wind is expected to be about 70 to 80 miles per hour around the landfall point, and those are sustained winds that continue to go all the way until the coast on the eastern Pacific side, with about 40 to 50 mile per hour winds that could be expected there. Maximum sustained wind gusts will be right around near 80 to 85 miles per hour at the landfall point. Again, this is expected to dive west-southwestward, and that northwest and kind of that right front quadrant is expected to be the heaviest hitting of any tropical storm or hurricane, and that will certainly pack the punch for 70 to 80 mile per hour winds in this corridor right through here. Along with that, there is the threat for very heavy rainfall, especially on the northern side of this. Around 5 to 6 inches of rain could be expected over the next couple of days as this system begins to move through. This will be a quick moving system, and so the circulation is expected to survive and then cross over into the East Pacific Basin, where formation after that point could take it near Mexico. We'll just have to see how that kind of plays out. Stay tuned for more updates.